Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum. Learn Tajweed the easy way, lesson 29a, in which we will take words with soft ya. Soft ya is the ya with sukoon when you have fatha before it. Fatha before ya sakina. It sounds similar to what you have in Dubai. Right. You don't say Dubai. Right. Right. So similarly, you say my, by, why, fi. All those red yas are soft ya. So can you repeat after me? My, by, why, fi. My, by, why, fi. And you don't say my, by, why, fi. Right? And so on for every, ya that comes after any other letter. Alright, so remember, soft ya occurs in the Quran almost 3,300 times. That is almost 5 times every page. So let's practice soft ya in different words. Repeat after me. Alayhi. Alayhi. Don't say alayhi. No, alay. Alayhim. Alayhim. Alayka. Alayka. Alaykum. Alaykum. Alayna. Alayna. عليها عليها إليه إليه إليك إليك. So don't say إليه إليك. No, إليك. بين بين بينهم بينهم. So don't say baina, bainahum. No, baina, bainahum. Kaifa, kaifa. Laysa, laysa. Bighayri, bighayri. Gha is thick, ghay. Bighayri. Alright? And don't say kaifa. Kaifa al-hal. That may be in spoken Arabic, but don't say kaifa. Kaifa, laysa, bighayri. That's it for now. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum.